This message is a wake-up call for anyone out there who's been stuck in the vicious cycle of being a narcissist's emotional energy supply. Let me cut straight to the chase. You are not here to be their personal power bank. You're not their fix, their fallback, or their emotional punching bag. It's time to wake up and break free. Today we're diving deep into how you can reclaim your energy, protect your peace, and rise above the chaos. You see, the narcissist thrives on control, your attention, your compassion, your everything. But here's the truth. When you cut off their supply, that's when you see them crumble. And I'm here to help you understand why, how to see through their games, and how to take back your power so that you can live in alignment with your higher self. Hello, beautiful souls. It's Chosen One, your coach's favorite coach. And welcome to my empath point of view. Now let me set the stage for you, because this is the message that you've been waiting for to change your life. You're going to learn to see them for what they are, stop being their target, and rise to a higher frequency where their chaos can't touch you. Sounds good? Then let's get into it. Imagine this. You're an emotional lighthouse, shining brightly, guiding others to safety, but the narcissists, they're the storm trying to dim your light. Why? Because they need your energy to feel validated, to feel in control, to feel like they matter. The second you pull your light away, their storm spirals out of control. They'll rage, manipulate, cry, and blame. But it's all a game to pull you back in. You've probably noticed their patterns, the blame shifting, the guilt tripping, the way that they can twist every situation into your fault so that you can feel sorry for them. And let me be clear, it's not love, it's about control. They want you hooked like a fish caught on their line, reeling you in with their sob stories, their fake apologies and crocodile tears, and their endless amount of excuses. You've probably noticed their patterns, the blame shifting, the guilt tripping, the way that they can twist every situation into. But here's the key. Their biggest fear, it isn't about losing you. It's losing the ability to manipulate and to control you. They fear being exposed, so they'll twist the narrative, blame you, and gaslight you to make you question your reality. But you have the power here. Once you recognize this pattern, once you stop engaging in their game, that's when your true freedom begins. If you're still letting a narcissist feed off your energy, it's time to stop. Now. You've been their emotional punching bag, their source of validation, their energy supply. And you've probably been wondering why you feel drained, confused, or constantly on edge. Well, it's because you've been giving them your life force, and it needs to end. So here's what it all boils down to. The narcissists, they thrive on control. And you've been giving it to them on a silver platter. Enough is enough. They don't even care about how you feel. What they care about is what they can take from you, which is your energy. When you stop giving them that, when you stop feeding your need to dominate you, then they fall apart. But they're not going to make it easy. Expect manipulation, guilt trips, and every excuse in the book. They'll try to reel you back in with the lies, with apologies that don't mean a damn thing, and with promises of change that may never come. But you're smarter than that, aren't you? You've seen the pattern. They blame shift, they make you feel sorry for them, they use your compassion to suck the life out of you. But here's the truth. It's all about control. They're scared of losing it. And that's why they keep coming back, pulling on your heartstrings, trying to make you feel like the villain. Don't fall for it. You have to see through their manipulations. Have they actually changed? No, probably not. They haven't done the work on themselves. They want you to drop your guard, to open your heart to them again so they can keep using you. And when you don't, they punish you with the silent treatment, then act like they won when you cave in. You see, it's all a game to them. And when you're not a player in their game anymore, that's when they go even harder. So here's what you do. Cut them off completely. No contact, no back and forth. Stop letting them control the narrative. They don't get to manipulate you anymore. You need to raise your vibration. Focus on your own healing, your own growth. If they come back with excuses, don't listen. They've done this before and you know it. And they'll keep doing it until you stop allowing it. You are not here to fix them. They are not your project. They are toxic, and they'll keep dragging you down unless you take action. Do you want peace? Do you want your energy back? Then stop letting them take it. Cut them off, stay firm, protect your boundaries, and most importantly, do not look back. This is about you, about your higher self, about your peace. And if they can't respect that, then they don't deserve a place in your life. So get clear, get strong, and never let them use you again. From here on out, you gotta realize that it's about your peace and your sanity. So don't let them keep you on that line, pulling you in. Pull yourself away, raise your standards, and demand the respect and the peace that you deserve. You see, healing is about breaking those toxic cycles. It's about learning your worth and no longer settling for crumbs when you deserve the whole feast. So trust yourself, trust your growth, and never look back. As always, I thank you for being here, and I thank you for listening to my empath point of view. Until next time, bye.